This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the developer mode on Discord. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Discord here. I have the Discord app opened up now. I made this video a few months ago and Discord went and changed their settings, so now it's found in a different place. But to enable or disable the developer mode, you want to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. You want to open up settings. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. And then on the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. And right here is developer. You want to click on developer. Then on the center pane, here's developer mode. By default, it's probably toggled off as you see mine is, but to enable it, you would just toggle it on. Then it gives you another option here, application test mode. You can toggle that on or off. And to disable the developer mode, you just toggle that off right there. That is how to enable or disable the developer mode on the Discord app. Thanks for watching.